Whoa there, where are you going? You're not going to watch me fix this? So check out this dent we've got in this Cherokee door here. This is the driver's door, sharp, super sharp bodyline dent here. I'm going to go ahead and remove this damage using Paintless Dent Repair. So first we're going to apply a heat gun here into position to warm the panel up to about 150 to 160 degrees. From there, we have to hold the temperature at that point, and then from there, I go ahead and take a specialized tool and slowly push on the damage, apply some lateral tension, which is the bar you see in the center there, and then I'm going to remove those and install 2 other tension beams. All done with repair. Let's go ahead and put that glass back in, get this door panel back on, and we're going to go ahead and get this all buttoned up and wiped down for the customer here. So be sure to go ahead and check out the finished results here. Vehicle is completely dent-free, no type of paintwork, bodywork. This thing was just fixed in just a few hours in an afternoon. If you've got a dent like this in your vehicle and you'd like to choose Paintless Dent Repair for your repair method, feel free to go ahead and give us a call or visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. We'll see you guys on the next repair video. Take care.